Gentle persistence. The one who desires to spread the word of Islam should strive to frequently remind others of good. People can become heedless quickly, therefore, reminding them consistently is important. Chapter 28 Al-Qasas, verse 51.
And we have repeatedly conveyed to them the word, i.e., the Quran, that they might be reminded.
Just like students who revise their notes repeatedly in order to reinforce its knowledge into their minds, one will benefit from being frequently reminded of the true word of Islam. One should not just offer good advice once and then give up. Repeating good words is like continuous drops of water which with time penetrates the toughest of structures. This is the tradition of Allah, the Exalted, and all the holy prophets, peace be upon them all. For example, Allah, the Exalted, only needed to command Muslims to establish the obligatory prayers once, yet He has done it many times throughout the Holy Quran. The Holy Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, spent approximately 950 years continuously spreading the word of faith to his people. Chapter 29 Al-Ankabut, verse 14.
And we certainly sent Noah to his people, and he remained among them 1,000 years minus 50 years.
The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, used every moment to spread the word of Islam, and even in his last moments advised the companions, may Allah be pleased with them all, to adhere to Islamic teachings. This has been recorded in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 2697. Therefore, one should adopt this attitude and not fall prey to the whisperings of the devil by giving up offering advice after a few occasions. The duty of a Muslim who invites others to Islam is to do it consistently, but whether this affects the hearts of the people is out of their control. But it is important to stress there is a difference between being regular and hounding others. A Muslim should not constantly command others to good, as this can become overbearing and burdensome for others. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, refrained from giving too many lectures as he did not want the companions, may Allah be pleased with them all, becoming bored and overburdened. This is why the companion, Abdullah bin Masud, may Allah be pleased with him, only gave lectures on Thursdays even though he was requested to give more. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7127. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.